Palm Springs. We have a stolen recovery of a JCB backhoe. It's reported stolen. The ignition's all torn up and everything. So Darrell's here with the 50-ton, and I just went down the street here and turned around. I'm in the Blue Peak, and we're gonna potentially, if we need to, we have the 50-ton here to lift the whole unit onto the back of our truck. If we can get it started, awesome. We can just drive it right up on the back of our deck. But with the ignition and everything, it's probably not gonna happen. So we'll see. We're coming up on scene here. See if there's room in front. So we'll just go right here. We have the headsets, so we'll probably be using those. So I'll just come with you.
I'll get it started, get it running. We can dump this wrecker right here in the center median.
Dump what?
Put the wrecker here in the center median, pull right here, and dump it here, and we'll drive it apart.
Okay. All right. Dang, I was looking forward to lifting. It's got fuel. Are you doing that? Is it idling? Oh, all right.
Okay, hold on. Pick up the bucket. I gotta hold these things together. So I don't know which one the bucket. Watch out, make sure these guys.
That's weird. I'm assuming if you're facing forward, oh, you're on bucket mode here. Probably a safety cutout. One bucket. There's got to be a safety.
Try that side.
Is this guy, is it his backhoe?
No, I just fluid. Oh, no fluid level safe. Here behind it. Tell him to watch out. I'm gonna.
That works. I just got the hydraulic to move.
You see the flashlight?
Shock yourself. Sorry.
Try to put it in the. Try to put it here. Go up and back.
Yeah, this guy's behind us. The machine might move a little bit, so just careful. All right, backwards?
Oh, forward.
Okay. All right.
Try to go backwards.
Got your foot on the brake?
Okay.
All right. Coordinated effort here.
Dump that thing in the middle.
Okay.
Dump that in the middle.
You want me to just pull it all the way up? Or? Okay, so we got it started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull that all the way up, and if I could have you go to the back. Yeah. And if I could have you go to the back side of me, and I'm just gonna take off. Actually, I think he's gonna drive it back to me. So yeah, I'd probably still get around on the other side of me. Okay, that worked out. Hopefully. Don't speak too soon here. That's crazy. I wonder why they ditched it then. Maybe they were just done. They were done with the job. Found the horn. Come my way just a touch. That's good. I'll just level it. Don't jinx it. Huh? Yeah, that's good. You want to put that down or it won't? Okay. Yeah, we do.
This is the second time I've done a backhoe like this, dude.
Alright, chain her down. I could have done that, Darrell. That's funny. Got lucky. So we can't get the bucket down, so we'll just have to leave it up. Huh? That makes sense. We got lucky. Although lifting it would have been cool. Alright, all ready?
We'll start up and load it. We're not leaving it on. It might take a minute.
Yeah, I know, right? Alrighty. Guys, well, that was very easy. Luckily, we were really expecting to have to do a full lift on that one, but it decided to hold together for us, which is awesome. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the backhoe down, so that's all right. We chained it in place. It ain't going nowhere. So we'll just jolly on back to the yard. Let you guys enjoy the Blue Pete for a little bit. You guys enjoyed that quick short video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the video, and as always, have a great day, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.